Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEV's Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 1. Okay, my dear student, let us start our class. Our today's topic is write in numbers. Our today's topic is write in numbers. And our lecture number 3 of half yearly exam. And there is a good news for you, there is no SW today as usual. So, my dear student, let us start our class. Write in numbers 500 to 1000. In class junior 1, we have already learned from 1 to 500. But for your better understand, I recall it again. So, my dear student, before starting our class, please notice the board. Okay. So, what is this? O-N-E. What is this? This is 1. Okay. Notice this number written is word and write it in number. Okay. I write it in number. Just like this. What is this? This is 5. Okay. I write it in number 5. Okay. So, suppose you are at your home and I am in school. So, you have a position and I have also. Your position is at your home and my position is our National Ideal English Version School. Just like this, please notice, suppose this is a number 25. So, this 5 has a position and that position name is ones place. Ones place, and this is another one whose position name is tens place. Okay, I write another number 125. This 5 is in ones position, this 2 is tens position, and this 1 is 100 position. Okay, I hope you have understood. So now, my dear student, notice, if I write here 22, then what will be? 22, that means 2 and 2. If I write here 56, FIFTY, 56, then I write here 5 and 6. Okay. Again, if I write here 100, then what will be? 100 means 1 and 20. Why this 0 here? Because 100 and there is no tens place and ones place. So, I write here 100 as 1 and no tens place, for this reason 0, and no ones place, for this reason it is also 0. So, this is 100. Again, if I write 229, my dear student, notice 229. Okay, 200. For this 200, at first I write 2 and 29. Now I write 29. Notice 9 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, and 2 is in 100 place. Now we read this number 229. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, next on, please notice 400, 109. Okay, my dear student, notice 409. So, for 400, I write here 4 first. Okay, now notice 409. What do you mean by 9? 9 means this digit 9. Okay, so I write here 9. But notice tens place is absent. When ones place is absent, then that place will be 0. Here, as tens place is absent, so it will be 401, 409. So we read this 409. I hope you have understood. Okay. So just like this one, today we shall learn 4 problems. That means 4 write in numbers. Okay. First on 582 second one 544, third one 975, fourth one 709, fifth one 999. Okay, so at first we write the first number 582. Notice it has 100 place, it has tens place, and it has ones place also. So first of all we write 500. So 500 means 5 first. Then 82. So how can we write 82? 82. So notice 2 is in ones place, 8 is in 100 tens place, and 5 is in 100 place. So we read this number as 582. I hope you have understood. Okay. So this is the first one. Second one 544. Just like notice 500, that means it has 100 place, 40 that means it has tens place, and 4 that means it has ones place also. So I write 500. So write 500, that means 444. So write 4 and 4. 4 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, and 5 is in 100 place. So 544. Okay. Next one 975. 975. So I write here 9 first, because it has 100 place, tens place, and ones place also. So 975. Okay. So 5 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place, 9 is in 100 place. Now we check 975. So our answer is correct. Next one 709. Notice here 100 place is present, but tens place is absent. So tens place will be 0, and at last we write 9. Okay, 700 for this I write 7. Tens place absent, so I write here 0. 9, that means write 9. Okay. Okay, number 5 999. So 900 I write 9 first, then 99. So it has tens place and also ones place. So I write 999. Okay, I hope you have understood. Nine is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, and 9 is in 100 place. So my dear students, I hope you have understood how to write in numbers. If I give you any number, I hope you can write that number in numbers, just like this one 777. Then what will be the answer? Notice 700, that means it has 100 place, 70 tens place, and 7 that means ones place also. I know you are very smart learner, so you can easily understand how to write this number. So 700, write 7 first. 77, that means write 7 and 7. 7 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place, and 7 is in 100 place. So my dear students, just like this one, you make the number by yourself and write the numbers in front of this number. If you can practice such way, then it is easier for you to write any numbers in numbers. Okay. At first you write in words. After that you give equal sign and convert that number in numbers. Okay. If you practice in such way, then you can learn easily. Okay. So my dear student, there is no SW today. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.